My name is Corey Nelson. I work for Workforce Software. We do time and attendance and forecasting and scheduling software. We do a lot of systems for helping people keep track of where their employees are, who's working that day, making sure that they have a proper staff for holidays, for rainy days, all that kind of things. We currently use the Systems Management Appliance and the Systems Deployment Appliance. The biggest problems that KACE helps us solve as a company would be we don't have a huge internal IT staff. Most of us have a lot of different hats that we wear. So KACE really helps us to automate a lot of the things that could be, more mundane. Going around to people's desks with a USB stick trying to install software. The amount of time that it takes to get a new user set up is just huge when you don't have the system deployment set up or software management set up. So if I can make it so that the rest of my team, who are really great and smart people, if I can free up their time to do things that are more useful, more productive for their wheelhouse, then yeah, that's great. Inheriting the KACE product was a really huge wall for me, just because I didn't really know what resources were out there. But as soon as I kind of went onto the Quest site and kind of started talking with the professional services team, they really helped me get the Systems Deployment Appliance spun up and working really well. One of the major projects that we just started up was the Windows 10 refresh. So we just got all of our Windows 7 laptops deprecated, and we now have everyone spun up on Windows 10. And the Systems Management Appliance really helped us to understand what software we needed to reinstall, what things we'd need to replace and upgrade as far as like software versioning goes. Our company motto is to make work easy. And so when we evaluate new software, new appliances, we really kind of take that in consideration. So anything that's going to make my team do their job better, to make their work easier, that's really priority one. Because we wear so many different hats, we don't want our Exchange admin to have to go around and always check for Windows updates on laptops. Like, that's just kind of silly. So when we do our proof of concepts, we really make sure that it's going to be a good fit for us and make our lives easier. And KACE has really done that.